Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Coinbase Wallet versus Coinbase app. So what's the difference between both of these? So they both work in unison. So you have your Coinbase Wallet and your Coinbase app. So other way around, this is the wallet and this is the app. So what is different from this? So basically here in the Coinbase app, you can actually trade just like a central exchange, but they're not really that big. So you can trade most coins right here, and your Coinbase wallet is basically just a wallet if you're familiar with what's a wallet. And of course, it's just that simple. So all you have to do in your wallet is store your assets. So it's actually just non-custodial wallet. So basically, you own it because you have the private keys. And next is right here is your Coinbase app, which is a centralized exchange type of application. So you can buy, send, receive, deposit, use your card, earn, and here's your wallet, which will redirect you to your wallet right there. So I don't have an account here because I'm restricted from using it for some reason. And there you go. So all you have to know in your Coinbase wallet and app is the differences, which is the app right here. Again, as I can said, you will have the trade right here. This is where you trade basically the coins that are listed in your centralized exchanges. So just look out for the assets that are here so you can look for them. Next is your wallet. Your wallet is where you will store all your assets and whatsoever. So here you can get your own Ethereum address, and then next you can also get your Bitcoin address right here, and then also your Solana address if you do have one, your Tron address also, it's also here, and this is where you will store all your money basically. And those are just the differences of these two applications, and it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.